Check out this Ram 2018 2500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: engine 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, gross vehicle weight 10,000 lbs Cummins turbo diesel badge current generation engine controller diesel exhaust brake selective catalytic reduction, area, tow hooks 180 amp alternator Ram active air, off-road package included, front performance tune shock absorbers off-road decal black wheel flares transfer case skid plate shield tow hooks rear performance tune shock absorbers, electric shift on the fly transfer case included, storage tray, tires, LT275/70R18E owl on off-road, spray input liner, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, chrome tubular side steps, diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat and popular equipment group included.